Okay, here it is, my little image recognition program. On the left, a random line is made, and on the right, it is recognized and reconstructed. And we transform the image, which actually has 1 million pixels, into an intermediate format. This takes 12 milliseconds. And after this conversion, we can recognize the line in the image in just below 1,500 nanoseconds. So a little over a microsecond, which is really, really fast. What is this intermediate format? It's called integral images. And of course, I found out I'm not the first person who uses integral images for image recognition. But I think I have a lot of smart ideas how to move on from one single line to a whole network of lines. And all of this recognition should still be very, very fast, thanks to these integral images. An integral image allows you to query any rectangle in the image and get its average color in constant time. So just a very few nanoseconds. So you can query a large area, like a quarter of the image, or you can query smaller areas. And in order to find the line in the image, I just do a binary search in 2 dimensions, finding the start point and the end point. So this is the Java code. This is 1,500 nanoseconds in Java. So there's A, room to optimize, and B, we have a lot of room to put in more calculations. It says 100% correct, but in very few cases it is off by 1 pixel. Nothing to worry about. But the cool thing is, when I change the image dimensions, for example, to twice the length, which is 4 times the number of pixels, the conversion time goes up linearly. This is really optimizable. I'm looking into vector operations. But the recognition afterwards takes almost the same time, because it's this binary search. So yeah, my idea is we have potential here. We just need some more clever algorithms. These are the directions I want to go next. More image recognition, and finally the system for for natural language processing, which is based on just structure, objects, patterns in a database, and clever use of them. The idea is we make explicit what the structures are. We don't just use internal structures in a program that maybe not even the programmer ever sees, but we have explicit representations of the input as certain structures that we can also display to the user. For sure, we will display them to the people making the AI, but maybe we can even show the users what their input was interpreted as. Seems to me like a good measure for transparency and improving the system.